Hi, we're 3 Gems Tea, and we'd like to talk to you about the tea in your life. Does your teaware spark dread, not joy? Does searching for decent tea make you want to cry? Does that sad and bitter tea bag make you sad and bitter? Well, great news! We've developed a new way to discover, brew, and connect over tea, using the magic of 3.
I'm Mayumi.
I'm Daphne.
And I'm Diana. And here's how we found the magic in tea for 3.
I grew up surrounded by rich tea cultures in China and Japan. As an artist, I've worked on new pieces in far-flung places. But all over the world, the teaware stays stuck in the past. I dreamed of designing a fun, modern tea set for my generation.
Meanwhile, I traveled across the Silk Road from Europe to my mom's hometown of Chaozhou, China, and discovered how everywhere I went, a cup of tea welcomed strangers and friends alike.
I also have roots in Chaozhou and wrote a cookbook exploring the food of its vast diaspora. I learned that Chaozhou is not only famous for its cuisine, but for its deep tea culture as well. Everyone there, neighbors, shopkeepers, even butchers, will stop to offer you a round of Gong Fu tea to share.
Gong Fu tea?
No, not that kind of Gong Fu. Gong Fu tea is a traditional way of brewing loose-leaf tea with a long history in Chaozhou. There, it's believed that tea is best enjoyed in 3s. We realized that tea is great solo, but it tastes even sweeter in community. We wanted everyone else to experience this magic too, and we knew there must be a better way to enjoy tea. So we started 3 Gems Tea to make it easy to sip the good stuff, enjoy with company, and take our sweet time. We returned to China, the birthplace of tea, to find rare gems for a sweet and simple Gong Fu tea experience. First up, a search for unique oolongs. This type of tea has the greatest range of flavors, and they really shine when brewed Gong Fu style. We found a whole treasure trove of Dancong oolongs at the Huang family farm on the peaks of Chaozhou's famous Phoenix Mountain. Next, in search of teaware to help those oolongs shine, we made a pilgrimage to Jingdezhen, which has been China's ceramics capital for basically forever. We stumbled on a tiny studio where the Lees, a husband and wife team, create beautiful porcelain pieces with a modern twist. Perfect for our set. Finally, we designed a nifty little bamboo tea tray for the full Gong Fu tea experience. And bonus, you can stash all your treasure in here too. So now we need your help.
To support our direct trade with small tea farms and artisans.
To place larger orders so we can keep prices low.
And to share tea culture as a way to slow down, pay attention, and connect with each other. And this is just the beginning. Over time, we'd love to share even more gems from tea cultures all over the world. But we can't do that without your help, so please back our campaign today. And let's make magic together!